3, 2, 1. I'm Charlotte.
And I'm Caitlin.
And today we are showing you how to do the LSU Golden Girl dance.
All you need is the pregame song. Okay, so the first step. Arms up, bend up, and right. Bend up. And now, this arm down, look to the right, and bring this arm down. Okay, then you go, up, bend up, bend up. Both arms down, look right, look left. Okay, let's try it all together. Ready? Up, bend up, bend up, then, and then. There you go. Up, bend up, bend up, down, right, left. Okay. And we're back. Now the music. That's the second part. So, let's try it. Now that we've done the first part, we go this, down, this. Then you go 1, 2, 3. Down and up.
Got that?
Let's do it again. Da. Wait. This. No, down, up, down, hips. All together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Down, down. 1, 2, 1, 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, left. Then you go here, down, here, down, up. Here, down, up, and hold. All together. Time for part 3. Okay, part 3 goes like this. This, straighten, this. Straighten. Down, up, this. Down. 1, 2. Let's try it again. Ready? This, straighten, this. Straighten. Down, up, down. 1, 2. Faster. Okay? With the music. That was part 3. Now it's time for part 4. So, after you have done 1, 2, you go down, up, flinch, switch, flinch. So let's do it. Dun, 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 dun. And then you go over, over, point, and up. Let's try it. So, dun, dun, dun. 1, 2. 1, 2, step together. So, down, down, over, 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 step together with the music. Let's do the next part. So, after you've done dun, 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 okay, so after the first round of this, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, down, 1, up, over, together. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, 1, up, over, together. So, with the music. Make sure you like and subscribe.
You can watch this video as many times as you want.
It's a little fast paced, but you got this. Let's try it all together, because this is the end.
You're doing great.
You smiled the whole time.
did great.
Thank you.